So to make the double cowl hitch with the two different colors and the two working ends, you'll need the two cords from the different colors. We're gonna take these two cords and we're gonna cut off the ends and join them. And now we've joined our two cords, we're gonna take the Paracord JIG or a rig and we're gonna simply this end of joined cords put on the buckle like this. Now here is the mark how wide or the length. So take this end and simply turn it around to the working side of a jig, and then simply make two cows hitch. So we're gonna take and with the end of the cord I'm gonna go from the top like this, and now we're gonna pass it on the left side through the top of this cord like that, and we're gonna go now from the bottom side like this and through here. Now pull it to make it tight, and we finished the one side double cow hitch. Now we're gonna make it from the other one. So we finished this one here. Now pay attention to the other side of a buckle or a jig. Here it needs to be the end of this joint cords. So now we're gonna start in making the cow hitch with the other color of the paracord. So we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see. Now let me just check it out the other side of the bracelet, and as you can see it's perfectly matched. So now we're gonna turn around. Now here from the opposite side you'll need to take the end of a cord, make it on top or from the top like this, and then under this one here also. Pull it to make it tight. And now from the bottom end to the top and through this loop here. By doing this, we create double cow's hitch with the working ends. So as you see here, we have one from the opposite side, we have second, and now we're gonna make another one from this left side. So from the top, pull it to cut the slack, and here we are. Our double cow's hitch is finished with the two working strands or ends as you wish. So this paracord base for the paracord bracelet is finished. If you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and until the next time, of course, don't forget to subscribe, it's free, and that way you're gonna helping us to continue making these tutorials. Till the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just the best, have fun, and see ya. Bye.